Windows address bar shortcut. Is there any shortcut to put focus on taskbar address bar on Windows 7?
I'm not aware of a direct shortcut, but I use Win plus B then Shift plus Tab. Okay, I lied. I binded the above to an auto hotkey shortcut, but that still counts as using it, right? Smiley face.
If you mean Windows Explorer address bar, then pressing F6 once or twice, depending on where you are, does the trick. Also, you can find most shortcuts in Windows 7 by going to Help and Support and searching for keyboard shortcuts. This should give you an article with a fairly exhaustive list of shortcuts that can be used.
If you mean the Windows Explorer address bar, simply hit F4, no need for actual hotkey.
I think you were looking for this. Alt plus D. Works in browsers too.
Eu te trago a